Hi everybody and welcome to In the Kitchen with Mr. Francis. This week it is Mental Health Awareness Week, and to time with that and also Rainbows for NHS, we are going to be making a rainbow salad. First thing we need to do before we start cooking, wash our hands. And remember, stay hydrated. Now, the beauty of the rainbow salad is that we can pretty much put anything we want in there. Obviously, the rainbow has its colours, but a rainbow salad is just a nice, colourful salad. But one thing we are going to do is we're going to put it into a jar and we're going to layer it so each colour is different. You can use more than one vegetable for each colour. So, for example, for yellow, I'm both going to use some yellow pepper, but also some sweet corn. So you pick the vegetables that you like and then you can create it just the way you like. So I've got all my different salad ingredients. I've got the yellows of pepper and sweet corn. I've got red tomatoes, pink radishes, orange carrots, a dark purple beetroot, and then a couple of light green lettuce and a dark green cucumber. A couple of things to be careful with. If you're using a sharp knife, make sure you're with an adult, and also beetroot juice really stains and it gets everywhere. So if you are using beetroot, be careful. Okay, time to chop. And as if by magic, everything is prepared. Time to fill the jar. You might have seen in the video, I ended up using the back of a wooden spoon just to help flatten the layers. Top tip. Wow, and there you have it, our rainbow salad, looking good. You can either eat it from the jar or shake it up with the lid on and put it out on a plate. Mix up your favourite dressing and enjoy. Yeah, they didn't see me snacking on the carrots this time. That's it for this time. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Bye.